Today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I'm going to show you all how to make your own homemade cake flour from scratch. I promise you guys, if you start making your own pantry staples like this cake flour here, it will save you a lot of money. So without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so to make our own or your own homemade cake flour, all you need is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 1 cup of all-purpose flour. That is pretty much it. 1 cup of all-purpose flour to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and that's going to make your flour a lot lighter, giving you that nice spongy type cake if you decide to make cakes. Whatever you decide, if you decide to, a lot of people like to use cake flour in their cookies. The same exact thing, as you guys know, when you use cornstarch in your cookies, it make your cookies a lot chewier. So yeah, that's all you need, guys. 1 cup of all-purpose flour to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So what we're gonna do, got my measuring spoon here, and we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And that's it, guys, to make your own homemade cake flour. Now, if you want to make a big batch to have on hand, say you're going in with 6 cups of all-purpose flour, you want to add in 12 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, you guys know it's baking season, so not bacon, baking. Baking season. So you definitely want to have some cake flour on hand. And as you guys know, prices of everything are definitely going up. So you don't want to get caught up in that little circle there or whatever, just trying to buy your cake flour and you're paying $7, $8, $9 for some cake flour, which would just be ridiculous. So we're just going to go ahead and give this a good mix and then get this into the container with the rest of my cake flour. So that's it for this video. If you guys like what you saw, just post down below of anything else that you would like to see me make that's homemade, and I will be sure to, try my best to get that video up for you so that you can start making it yourself. So till next time, you guys take care. Later.